Well, what is going on, guys? My name is Martin and welcome to my new video. I hope that you are doing really well today. In today's video, I would like to talk about my top 5 gimbal moves and how you can use them in your videos. So gimbals are really affordable these days and they can make your videos look more professional and cinematic, but you really have to know when to use them so they will enhance your story. It is really easy to overuse a gimbal these days because, for one, you are looking more professional on set, like for example during a wedding shoot. When you will hold a gimbal in your hands, you will look like that you know what you're doing, and you also may have more confidence holding it. It's also really easy to rely only on the gimbal because you will always get that smooth and not shaky footage. However, in any type of filmmaking, it is only a tool and you have to know and decide when to actually use it. So let's jump right into my top 5 gimbal moves. Number 1. Approaching shot. So this is the most basic move I believe that you can do with a gimbal. It is great as an establishing shot and you can also use it to bring the attention to your subject. Now all you have to do is to approach to your subject or talent with your camera on a straight line. You can also reverse this shot and you will get something like this. But you have to remember that even with a gimbal, you will have to walk as straight and as stable as possible. So the shot number 2 is the following shot. It is really great to use to draw your audience into your story. This type of shot will make your audience feel like they are actually with your talent in your story. You can follow your subject from behind, which is the easier version, and also from the front side, which is obviously more advanced. It's actually harder to follow your actor from the front side because you have literally zero clue what's behind you, and it is also harder to maintain the distance between you and your actor when you are using manual focus. My next favorite shot is called hero shot or sometimes orbiting shot. It's really great to use if you want to establish your talent's emotions, or if your talent is in some kind of new place or situation. In wedding filmmaking, for example, I like to use this shot right after the first dance, when everyone's eyes are locked on the couple and they have their hero moment. So for the last 2 shots, I will show you how you can substitute another pieces of gear just by using a gimbal. If you're a solo filmmaker, one-man band or run-and-gun shooter, you always aim at minimizing your gear as much as possible. So first, you can actually use a gimbal to substitute a slider. You can shoot, for example, small slides, like from behind the corner, but then you can also shoot much longer shots and you are not limited by the length of your slider. But of course, there are situations when you just have to use a slider, like for example in an interview. Now, the last but not least is the crane shot. I believe that most of the gimbals out there, like for example the DJI Ronin S, can emulate this kind of shot. To achieve this kind of shot with the DJI Ronin S, you have to switch your gimbal to the second mode with the M button. It actually freezes the tilt motor so you can perform the crane-like movement without tilting your camera. Well, that's it for today, guys. I really hope that this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, it really makes a difference for me, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!